In this video, I'll show you how to activate a Cash App card without a QR code. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Support. On the support screen, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type in Activate Card and run the search. A list of results will appear. Do not tap the first article. Instead, look for the option that has a small link icon next to it and says Activate Card Now. Then tap on it. On the next screen, Cash App may try to start the QR code scanning process. Since you don't have a QR code, look for the option that says Activate Without QR Code and tap on that. You'll now be asked to manually enter details from your physical Cash App card. This usually includes the CVV number from the back of the card, the expiration date, and any other required card information. Enter everything carefully and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. The process should only take a moment. If this method doesn't work for you, go back to the support section and search for Activate Card again. This time, tap on the first article in the results. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and look for an option to chat or contact support. Let them know you're trying to activate your Cash App card without a QR code, and they'll guide you through a manual activation process. Once verified, your card will be activated and ready to use. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.